guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Runi Upadhyay. If you are looking for a easy makeup look, this one is for you. It's very natural and affordable, so let's get going. First, I'm going to use this Maybelline Soft Moisturizer Cream, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. So this is how my face looks after the moisturizer. Next I am using this MAC strobe cream. What I do is I just put this on the high point of my face. Now I am just gonna blend it out. Next, I am gonna go in with the Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream. I'm gonna cover little bit of dark circles with this product. Eyebrows, I don't have any eyebrow pencils, so instead of that I'm taking this dark shade of this eyeshadow palette with this angular blush. I'm gonna pick this brown color. Next I'm using this kajal. I just draw a thin line. Now I'm gonna move on to my lashes. I'm using this Maybelline Color Salt Waterproof Mascara. This is my go-to mascara, guys. I move on to blush. For blush, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Blush, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks. For lips, I'm gonna take this Maybelline lipstick, and this shade is Touch of Spice. This is my all-time favorite lipstick, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Salt, bold, color salt, bold, eyeliner. No, this is
2 hours later.
It's very natural. It's very natural. It's very natural and affordable look.